5 things that makes men feel loved. 1. Quality time. Spending quality time together. Whether it's through meaningful conversations, shared activities, or just being present, makes men feel loved and valued. 2. Affection and physical touch. Physical affection, like hugs, kisses, and cuddling, is a powerful way to convey love and emotional connection to men. 3. Words of affirmation. Compliments, encouragement, and heartfelt expressions of love and appreciation go a long way in making men feel loved. 4. Acts of service. When loved ones take the initiative to help or support men in practical ways, such as preparing a favorite meal or assisting with tasks, it shows love and care. 5. Emotional support. Men also need emotional support, understanding, and a safe space to express their feelings and vulnerabilities, which fosters a strong sense of love and connection.